So you started your business and you're getting everything in order and you're going through your finances, and now you need to make a profit and loss statement. Do you know the difference between profit and cash flow? Well, if not, I'm going to go ahead and go through those two different things so that you can get on track for your business. So keep on watching. To manage and have a profitable business, you need to know the difference between managing money and making money. Cash flow is the way that money moves in and out of your business. Profit and cash flow are important parts of a very healthy and growing business, but they are definitely not the same thing. So a positive cash flow is when there's more money coming in at any given time throughout your business venture. And so there's more income and then there's less expenses. And then on the flip side, a negative cash flow is when there is more money going out of your business than what is coming in. So there's more expenses than there is income. Now, profits are also called net profits or net income, and it refers to your company's bottom line. You can calculate your net profits by subtracting your expenses from your revenue. So it's basically the amount of money that you have left after you've paid all of your expenses. The best way to keep track of your profits and your cash flow is to monitor your bank statements and your financial statements every single month. If you need to organize your tax documents, download this tax binder kit to get your important papers ready for tax time and all year long. But if you are a business and you are trying to figure out your business finances and prepare your books for tax time, then you need this tax planning mastery guide. And then if you need help with all of the above, with both of those things, organizing your taxes and planning them, then you want to download the tax season bundle. I will go ahead and put the link to all three of these down in the description box, and you can choose which one is best for you. So you need to look at your income statement, your cash flow statement, and your balance sheet. And sadly, growing businesses usually experience increased expenses and unnecessary expenses and then excessive tax costs. So you want to make sure you understand both and you understand all of your statements so that you're not paying too much in taxes. Now, if you need to get a little bit more guidance and to understand your business finances a little bit more, go ahead and download my small business tax mastery planning guide. I will link to it in the description box, and you can download that today. It's going to help you to understand your business finances and also understand the tax side of your business finances so that you're not spending more money in taxes than you should. Thanks for watching. Have a great one. Bye.